Hi everyone, welcome back. So this is going to be a part 2 to my previous video where I detangle my hair in between relaxing periods just to minimize the amount of breakage. I'm just going to repeat again in this video that I do currently have a relaxed hair, but I have a type 3C and type 4A hair, so whenever I start having new hair growth, I experience lots of friction at the points where my new hair growth meets my relaxed hair, and so I go often a week or two without combing my hair or detangling it. So in this video I am detangling my hair, but this is the second part to the first part. In the first part, what I tried to do was detangle my roots, but now I'm going to be working my way from my roots down to the ends of my hair. I'm going to be detangling the entirety of my hair. If you'd want to see how I detangle the roots of my hair, make sure to go to my previous video. I'm going to put a link somewhere to it so that you can go and watch it and then come back to watch this one. And I also need to say that this is not a hair channel, okay? I just happen to want to detangle my hair, and I thought to myself that someone could benefit from this video, and so I decided to put it up. But in my channel, I'm gonna be uploading useful videos that anyone can benefit from. I don't really have a niche, but yes, I'm gonna go straight into this video, and I hope you enjoy or you learn one or two things. In this second part, I'm just taking out my hair from the buns, and now it's completely finger detangled, right? I finger detangled my hair in the previous video. My roots are almost completely detangled, however it's a different texture of hair from my relaxed hair, obviously, and so there's always bound to be some form of friction. But to make sure that I reduce the friction as much as possible, I tried to go in with a hair straightener. So just see what I'm going to do. This video, please, is not a tutorial about how to straighten your hair. I am not straightening my hair. What I'm actually really trying to do is detangle my hair, okay? So you're going to see that I'm not really gonna straighten the entirety of my hair. I'm just really going to be focusing on my roots where I have my type 3C and 4A hair, just to make sure that it's as straight as possible, you know, and to make sure that whilst I'm combing my hair, it's a lot easier to deal with. So yeah, keep watching. I already moisturized my hair also, I need to mention that. So going in with my hair straightener, you see I am making sure the heat touches the root as much as possible. So that is where I'm focusing on. The roots down to the point where it meets my relaxed hair is where I really want to straighten. So as you can see, I don't really care about straightening my relaxed hair. I just want to make sure that my hair is as detangled as possible. Like I can comb through my hair with as minimal breakage and minimal friction as possible. So you see, there's also some tangles as well. I still need to go in and use my fingers to somehow finger detangle my hair, and then go in with a bigger wide tooth comb to try and comb them out. So yeah. So I'm going in again with the hair straightener. Yeah, you can see how easy my hair comes all the way from the roots down. Sometimes I just can't wait to relax my hair, but obviously I want to make sure that I have enough new hair growth so that whilst I'm about to relax my hair, I have enough room to work with. And I just keep doing this same step all through my hair. As you can see, nothing special. But the focus, again, I need to repeat, is not to straighten my hair. This is not a how to straighten my hair tutorial. This is how to detangle, or in other words, this is how I detangle my relaxed hair, especially when I already have new hair growth, just to minimize the amount of friction and breakage in my hair. I repeated the steps all the way through, and right now I'm currently at the front of my hair, and I'm just going to do the same thing. Part my hair. I'm trying to show you where my relaxed hair meets my natural hair, but I don't think it's that obvious. The only thing that can make it really obvious in this video is the color of my hair. My relaxed hair is a lot light brown, it's lighter brown, and then my new hair growth is dark brown, so you can actually tell the difference. But maybe the difference in the texture might not be as visible in this video. So yeah, I'm focusing on my roots. I'm really trying to tangle the points where my new hair growth meet my relaxed hair. As you can see, there's lots of tangles. It's like with every strand of new hair growth, there's a kinky and a curl, and I just have to, make sure that I am detangling all the way through from the roots to the end. It actually takes me a while to do this. also I find that when I apply heat on my hair, it just really helps to tame my hair and make it a lot easier to work with. I know everyone has their own techniques, but this is what works for me. And I wouldn't say that I experience lots of heat damage anyway. I already have relaxed hair. My hair, I think, is already damaged, so I don't really care about hair damage. The front part of my hair is actually a lot of struggle. I feel like anytime I try to tangle my hair and I walk my way up to the front is usually a lot more challenging, or should I say more difficult to work with. And so this brings us to the end of the video. I'm actually done. At this point, I'm actually a lot tired. It took me not less than 4 hours to get my entire head this detangled from the roots to the end. Like I said, this is not a hair tutorial about how to straighten your hair. My hair is not completely straightened. It's just detangled. Yeah, you can see I had minimal breakage. That is the amount of breakage I had all through the video. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like, share, and comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.